In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to Instagram DMs using Meta Business Suite. If you manage a brand or a business, replying to Instagram messages directly from Meta Business Suite can save you a lot of time because you can see your messages from different platforms all in one place. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can confidently handle your Instagram DMs from your desktop. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages the Instagram page you want to work with. If you have more than one business or page, check that the correct business and Instagram account are selected at the top of the screen. This ensures the inbox you're about to use is connected to the right profile. Once Meta Business Suite has loaded, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see an option called Inbox. Go ahead and click on Inbox. This area is where Meta gathers all of your messages and comments in one central place, including Facebook messages, Instagram DMs, and sometimes messages from other connected platforms, depending on your setup. After you click Inbox, the page will update to show different message sources. Near the top or on the left panel, you should see a section or tab labeled Instagram. Click on Instagram to filter the inbox so you only see messages coming from your Instagram direct messages. This makes it much easier to focus on conversations happening specifically on Instagram, without distractions from other channels. Now you'll see a list of Instagram conversations on the left, and when you select one, the full chat will appear on the right. At the bottom of that chat window, you'll find the chat box. Click inside the chat box, then type your response just like you would on your phone. Take a moment to read the previous messages so your reply is relevant and clear. You can also adjust your tone to match your brand. And if needed, prepare answers you use frequently so you can respond faster. Once you're happy with your message, the final step is to send it. Look for the send button to the right of the chat box. Click send, and your reply will be delivered to the person's Instagram inbox, even though you're replying from Meta Business Suite. That's all you need to do to reply to Instagram DMs using Meta Business Suite.